how to add pins to Pinterest board. So that is what I'm going to show you guys in this super quick and easy tutorial. So let's get into it. So the first thing that we need to do is to open our Pinterest app right here. And then once we open our Pinterest app, go here on the bottom right corner of the screen and then click the profile icon. And then once you do that, as you can see, I have here a pin on my profile picture. Now, I want to add it into my board. So the next thing that we need to do is to click the boards right here. And then once you do that, as you can see, I don't have any boards yet. So I'm going to create one. So click create a board. And then after that, just choose the pictures or the image or the pins that you want to add to your board. Now, since I want to add this to my own board, this picture right here, I'm going to click this and then I'm going to click next. Once you do that, let's add the name of our board. So let's do this and then click done. Once you do that, as you can see, we are now done. That is basically it. That is how to add pins to Pinterest board.